PrizePicks Withdrawal failed or not working. If you're having issues with PrizePicks Withdrawal failing or not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through all possible reasons and how to fix them step by step. Let's get started. First thing you need to check is the withdrawal method. PrizePicks supports payout via PayPal, bank transfer, and prepaid cards. If your method isn't supported, the withdrawal will fail. Make sure you're using a valid payment method. PrizePicks has minimum withdrawal requirements and certain conditions you must meet before withdrawing. Check if you've made those. Most withdrawals have a minimum amount, usually $30 for bank transfers. Bonus funds may need to be played through before withdrawal. Your deposit method may need to match with a withdrawal method. And lastly, check for pending verification. Just go to settings and on account verification, submit a valid ID. And that's it. These are some of the ways from which you can fix your PrizePicks withdrawal issue.